So check this guy out. Just comes in, decides to take a seat on my car. He just wanted to get my YouTube video. I know. Look how he's preening and everything. I honked the horn. He just looked at me like, what? I know. What should I do? Let's see. What? What the hell are we doing? But it ain't moving. Huh? He's staying. I ain't got no food. Nothing. But those guys over there with the margaritas, carry out margaritas, they might. No, you don't care? You're here for the selfie. Got it. Okay. You only get your 1 minute of fame. Oh, doing a side view. Nice. Little scratch. Are you happy? You comfortable? You like my car? I'm not going to honk the horn again just to see you jump. So it's fun now. Okay. You got 1.5 minutes of fame, maybe 2 minutes. And then I got to cut you off. One more honk. See if it works. No? It's good. Okay, mister. See you later.